This is day one of working on our new property that we are so excited to have. So this is how you walk into the property, and as you can see, there is a ton of overgrowth and dead trees. Check out this giant dead pine tree right here at the entrance. So this property went through a fire about 6 years ago, and so it's got a lot of dead standing. The people that owned the property haven't been back to the property to do stuff. They've been back to just look at it, but then it was too emotional for them to come and stay. So we bought the property from them, and it's going to take us a lot of work. There's a lot of down trees and a lot of dead trees, but look at all the stuff that's alive. All the beautiful quakies, the quaking aspens that sparkle when the wind blows against them, and I love it. So this is us working on the first day. We're working on cleaning up the fire pit area so we have a place to have a fire. We're working on cleaning up the logs so that we can get in. This is just the very first part of the property, and it's absolutely beautiful, but there's a lot of work to do. One thing that I love is that my kids are not afraid to work. So they are willing to help clean up and just do whatever they need to. My son loves working with the chainsaw, and so he's had a lot of fun with his dad learning to do this. And here's our fire pit area that we're working on. My daughter there helping clean up, and carry the big logs, and do all the things that we need to do to get this property ready to enjoy. Right, now I'm going to show you the upper part of the property. Well, the middle level. So where we were just working down below, that's as you just come into the property, and now this is the way up to the cabin area, and it is just absolutely gorgeous up through here. There is a road, what we're walking on right now. Look at those sparkling aspens. I love them. Anyway, this is going to be the road, and it's just really, really overgrown and a lot of wood down on the road. But as you walk up here, then it just is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of down trees all over this property and a lot of burnt standing trees. But over on this side, you'll see that there used to be a shed in this area that burned, but we've got a nice cement pad to work with as well. All right, this is the cabin area of the property. This is a cement retaining wall, and then we've got cement pillars. There wasn't actually a cabin in this place before it burned. It was just a platform. We hope to build a cabin in the future. So we just continue to take down trees that are standing, and we love to hang our hammocks. And right now, there's only a few places that maybe we could hang a hammock. So my husband thought it would be a great idea to take down, to make the trees just kind of top them a little bit so that there was still a safe place to pitch a tent under, but we could hang a hammock. So here goes one tree. And we just took down a couple of trees at the tops, but so that we could still hang hammocks. So it'll be a lot of fun. The kids worked hard on getting the new fire pit ready. It is huge, but they did a great job, and look how good it looks. And we finished the night with a tiny fire in our great big fire pit.